Hey y'all, this is me Ismatullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, in my previous video I cried and I couldn't control my emotions. Some of my friends shared their condolence and they shared their nice comments, and thank you for your nice feelings. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments. Okay guys, my cry was not just about Italy, which is suffering from this virus. My cry was because of everyone that they are suffering from this virus or this COVID-19. There are so many people around the world suffering from this virus. In Iran, which is our neighbor country, my condolence was not just Italy. My condolence was for everyone in Iran, in China, in everywhere, in all over the world, okay? We have to join together, okay guys? We have to fight together to defeat this virus. This virus is very dangerous. We cannot say, okay, I'm fighting or I am very strong and this COVID-19 cannot do anything. I am strong or something else like that. You're absolutely wrong, okay? Yeah, that's in some points, that's right. You wear mask and you wash your hands with soap regularly. That's fine. But the most important thing is this: to avoid or preventing from this virus is just you have to stay home, guys. By staying home you can save your life and other people. When you stay home and go nowhere, we all can prevent from this virus. And those people that they are suffering, the doctors can cure them and they can continue their treatment, okay? If the patients be less, the doctors can be ready for their treatments. If there are so many patients, the doctors cannot control all or cannot rescue them, okay? Yeah, go nowhere, stay home, guys. I'm trying to stay home like you guys, and you have to stay home like me. Okay, you can observe the space. Okay, you should 1 meter, at least 1 meter you should stay away from your parents or your friends, preventing from this virus. I want to tell you that my last video was very emotional video, okay? I actually couldn't control my feeling, okay? When you see those people that they are suffering from this little virus, you will shock, guys. Yeah, that's it. We have to join together and fight against this virus, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell icon to get all of my updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
That's caught in the crossfire.